Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open another awesome monthly subscription from BohemStyle. But before I do, I just wanted to let you guys know about a giveaway Bohem is having. So here's the details. Everybody can participate. The giveaway will start July 1st and ends July 8th. The conditions are very simple. The contest will take place on their website, checkbeadsexclusive.com, and their Instagram page @beadscheck. You must do the following on their Instagram page @beadscheck. You need to, number 1, like the giveaway post. Number 2, follow @beadscheck. Number 3, tag and comment 3 friends. All information about the giveaway contest will be on the website and social media. And by the way, I have one more thing to tell you guys. I started an Instagram page, so for those of you that don't use Facebook, you can send me pictures of your creations at Beautiful Nights. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box. And remember, I always put a link for the subscription down there below the video, and of course I will have information about the giveaway down there too, so check that out. Okay, let's see what's in the box. There's always some awesome projects in here. And in case you haven't seen me open one of these subscriptions yet, this piece of paper here has a link to a video tutorial that shows you how to make both pieces that are in this box. And it's very easy to follow tutorial, by the way. Okay, so we have a ball head pin, which means there's going to be some kind of a bead charm. And we have a very tiny jump ring. It's like a 4mm jump ring. And oh my gosh, 2-hole beads. I think this is the first time they've had 2-hole beads in here. We've had spacer bars in some of the projects. These are cool. I don't know what this shape is called. I haven't used it yet. These are 2-hole. And then we have a split ring. And this looks like a metal color mix because there's silver and antique bronze. This is stretchy cord, so there's probably going to be a stretchy bracelet. And we have 2 more jump rings. Bead stringing wire, so it's probably going to be a stretchy bracelet and a necklace. And this is a charm. This is cute. It's like a mandala charm. I think it's gunmetal. And then we have a lobster claw, antique brass, and what's this? Oh my gosh, melon beads. These are adorable. I love that. And they have turquoise on. And check fire polish beads, 4mm. This is turquoise Picasso. They're beautiful. So gorgeous. I love turquoise. And we have 4 crimps. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Those are absolutely gorgeous. I love those so much. They're beautiful. Okay, what else? Cathedral beads, turquoise, Picasso color. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. There's more. I love these colors. It's going to be another turquoise set. I love the last turquoise set they did. It was amazing. Oh wow, that's a cool teardrop. Sorry, my allergies are driving me crazy. This is like the melon beads with how it has the lines on it, but it's a teardrop shape. That's really cool. And here are some 2-hole beads. Oh, so I'm thinking that there might be like either turquoise necklace or bracelet, and then the other one it's going to be different. So they might not be a matching set because I'm finding silver pieces, and then I'm finding like antique brass pieces. So these beads here, I don't know what this shape is. Well, it's an oval shape, but I don't know what its actual name is. But it has 2 holes. It's a 2-hole bead. I've never seen this bead before. And there's a really cool texture on the top of it. Really pretty colors. I like those. And then we have a charm, a bird charm. That's cute. I actually have this one in silver I got from a previous Check Beads exclusive box, which is the same company as BohemStyle. And here are some more of these. Are these the same or different? They're different product number. I think these are more purpley. They look really similar though. And then we have Czech Drux 6mm turquoise, gorgeous, my absolute favorite color to work with, turquoise. And we have rondelles, Czech rondelles with Picasso. Those are gorgeous. I'm so excited. What is this gonna be? Oh my gosh, more melon beads. They're so beautiful. And then we have a big jump ring, like an 8mm, and we have a really cute charm. Look at that. It's a butterfly. And is that it? That's it. What am I gonna make? I can't wait to see. I gotta go put that link in and see. There's a lot of goodies in here. I'll lay all this out so you guys can see what it looks like. I laid everything out, and I am thinking that this is going to be a necklace because there's so many beads, and it's probably going to be a multi-strand necklace, and I'm thinking that this is going to be a bracelet, probably a stretch bracelet. I don't know yet. You guys already know because you are in the future and you see the two finished pieces at the very beginning of the video where I have made them and posted the picture, and I also have a picture that I'm going to be posting at the end of this video showing them complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out this subscription, go do the giveaway, and by the way, if you don't have an Instagram page, it's very easy to make one. I went and did it. It was super easy just to do this giveaway. And plus, if you get an Instagram page, you can follow me on Instagram and you can tag me in pictures of the jewelry you've made. And Instagram, I've realized they're not taking a ton of information like Facebook is. Facebook wants to know everything about you. Instagram doesn't seem to be like that. So go ahead and check that out. And remember, I will put everything down there below the video, so you guys have all the information you need. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, or tag me on Instagram. And don't forget to follow me on Pinterest. And thanks for watching. Man, I have so much stuff to say, it's crazy.